Let's take a look at our new range of products from Gas Safe Europe. It all starts with our Detectasmoke cans, approved by leading manufacturers. Our new range of Detectasmoke cans have a low-residue formula, allowing you to test smoke alarms without any ensuing damage to your smoke alarm systems. Turning the can upside down inside the detector head during transportation will prevent unwarranted activation and dispersal of aerosol. The cans work well with our new Detector Head aerosol dispenser, providing you a winning combination for testing your smoke alarms. But what makes the Detector Head so special? The Detector Head is 25% lighter than our market competitors, making it much easier to use when testing smoke alarms. The components are easily replaceable. It also works with our competitors' cans, making it the #1 choice in the smoke alarm testing market. The delivery chamber is clear, allowing you to see the alarm lights while testing your smoke alarms, ensuring best practice for smoke alarm testing and general smoke detector maintenance. Competitively priced, you can't beat the value of our new Detector Head aerosol dispenser. The Detector Head works seamlessly with our new Detector Pole. The Detector Pole is 6.4 meters in length, 1.9 meters longer than our competitors' standard poles. We also offer bespoke extension poles, which adds an extra 2 meters in length and an impressive working length of 10 meters. Perfect for those out-of-reach situations. The extension fits to the base of the pole for added stability, and removing the need to hire a scissor lift or other expensive equipment to reach, the pole allows one person to do the job. If you need to test on low ceilings, no problem. Our detector pole can divide and separate easily to achieve your desired reach. Our replaceable pole clips that keep the pole securely in place have a robust build and stand out from our competitors' designs, which break easily and lack replacement options. Our detector pole is universally adaptable for most aerosol dispersal products, giving you choice and flexibility when carrying out your smoke alarm safety checks. With the color embedded directly within the pole, the product offers enhanced sustainability, no more worrying about paint-stained hands. All of our products have a safe and secure carry bag, allowing you to safely store your products ready for another day. Gas Safe Europe. Multi-award winning designs and customer service for over 20 years.